Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is ecclesia. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is ecclesia. The word ecclesia appears frequently in the New Testament, referring to the gathering of believers or the church. It comes from ek, out of, and kaleo, to call. So, it means those who are called out. And originally, it refers to a civic assembly in Greek culture. It's not even something religious. But in the Christian context, it signifies the community of believers called by God. And we have words that are very familiar to us that are related to ecclesia. Like, for example, iglesia. Sa Espanyol yun, no? Yung iglesia na yun. And then that's what we took as in our language, in the Filipino language, iglesia, church. Kaya nga Iglesia Católica, the Catholic Church. It comes from ecclesia. You have other languages also reflecting the original ecclesia. And one significant passage is from Matthew chapter 16, verse 18, where Jesus tells Peter, "And I tell you that you are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church." And I read that in Greek. Kai epitaute te Petra, tai Petra, okodemeso muten ecclesian. And on this rock I will build my church, and the gates of Hades will not overcome it. From ecclesia, English derives words like ecclesiastical, relating to the church. Ecclesiology, the study of the church. And you know, dear friends, the church, it's not just a building, but a community. Actually, if we take that word, the people who are called out to, kaleo. As members of the ecclesia, we're called to live out the gospel, supporting one another, be a visible sign of God's kingdom in the world. That's why we ask ourselves, do we feel part of a loving community, the church? Do we feel part of the ecclesia? That's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.